Hello everyone. So actually I was preparing this video of LCM and something struck in between. So I'm starting it with again. Okay. So see, we have discussed all the topics of this chapter playing with numbers in our last videos also we have discussed. But here what we are going to discuss is the most important, I'm not saying important, I'm saying most important topic of the chapter, LCM, least common multiple. And this is the topic that is going to help us throughout whatever we are going to learn. Okay, it will help us throughout. So what is the meaning of LCM? How we are going to find out? See, the meaning of LCM is least common multiple. What is the meaning? Least common, it is the full form only. What is the meaning? Least common multiple. क्या मतलब होता है least common multiple का? See, if I am writing multiples of any two numbers, suppose I am writing multiples of 4, multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. You all know how to write multiples. We have discussed in our last videos also. Then I am writing multiples of 5. You can see I am writing multiples of 5. See, multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, like this, isn't it? Now see, if someone asks you, अगर कोई आपसे आके पूछे, find the LCM of 4 and 5, find the LCM of 4 and 5, how you are going to find? You all know the meaning of LCM is least common. Least मतलब कम से कम, least मतलब कम से कम. What is the meaning of least? The meaning of least is means smaller, the most smaller number you can get, least common. Okay, यानी कि कम से कम you can get. Okay, the minimum value. Least means the minimum. Okay, कम से कम. So least common multiple you need to find. Okay, let's try to find out the common multiples first. See the common multiples of 4 and 5. इनमें ना कॉमन नंबर्स देखते हैं, जो 4 के मल्टीपल्स में और 5 के मल्टीपल्स में कॉमन नंबर्स हैं वो चेक करते हैं. सी दिस 20, you can check. This 20 is there. You can check 20 is there. 20 is in both. You can clearly see 20 is here, 20 is here. So 20 is in both. Then you can check 40. 40 and 40. See, these are what? These are the common multiples, na? These are the common multiples. Common, why I am saying? Because they are in both, in the multiples of 4 as well as in the multiples of 5. They are in both. That's why I am saying it as common. Okay, they are common multiple. But now come to the topic what we need to find. हमें क्या निकालना है? We have to find the least common, यानी कि जो सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल है. अब देखो ना, कॉमन मल्टीपल्स में से कॉमन मल्टीपल हमारे पास 20 है, 40 है, बाद में भी आ सकता है. बट सबसे छोटे वाला कौन सा है? विच इज़ द स्मॉलर वन? You will say, sir, 20. So that is the LCM of 4 and 5, 20. Okay, please try to watch the video on repeated mode for, means if you are having doubt na, it will be cleared. देख लो, हमें सबसे छोटा मल्टीपल निकालना था, निकल गया, isn't it? Now let's move to the next thing. Let's move to the next topic. इज इट द ओनली वे वी कैन फाइंड LCM? क्या यही एक वे है कि LCM फाइंड आउट किया जा सकता है? इज इट द ओनली वे? इफ वी आर हैविंग सम नंबर्स, सपोज 24, दिस इज द नंबर 24, देन आई विल से 36. ओके, सपोज दीज आर टू नंबर्स 24 एंड 36. नाउ हाउ डू वी फाइंड द LCM? अब हम इनके मल्टीपल्स लिखना, तो देखो, वी नो द टेबल ऑफ 4, वी नो द टेबल ऑफ 5, तो इनका मल्टीपल लिखना इजी था हमारे लिए. हमने मल्टीपल लिख दिया 4, 8, 12 लाइक दिस. बट व्हाट अबाउट दीज? सो हाउ वी फाइंड आउट LCM ऑफ 24 एंड 36? नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, द अदर वे. देखो, ये दिस इज द फर्स्ट वे, दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट वे. दिस यू कैन डू फॉर स्मॉल नंबर्स, छोटे नंबर्स के लिए कर सकते हो, इट इज़ द ईजिएस्ट. बट ट्राई टू डू दिस वन, द सेकेंड वन, वट आई एम सेइंग, द प्राइम फैक्टर्स, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. ओके, यू ऑल नो हाउ टू डू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. वी हैव लर्नड इन आवर लास्ट वीडियोज हमने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन भी सीखा है. So if we are having two numbers 24, 36, how do we find the prime factors of 24? Let's do the prime factors of 24 first. I'll write 24. I'll find out prime factors of 24. So you all know we have to start with the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Because if you will divide 24 by 2, you will get 12. 24 को 2 से डिवाइड करने पे 12. अब 2 को से फिर डिवाइड करेंगे 12 को. 2 6 जा 12. Then 2 3 ja. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we are going to take 3. So 3 1 ja. Now see the factors of 24. What we are getting? Factors of 24. I am getting factors. Which one? Which kind of factors are these? These are prime. Okay. These are prime factors. Prime factors of. Which number I am writing first? 24. So 24 I can write like this. 2 multiply. How many times 2 is there? 3 times, na? 2 multiply, 2 multiply, 2 multiply 3. I can write like this. You can see. Prime factors of 24 are written. देख लो, बस हमने ये प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट किए, प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिख दिया. नाउ आई विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट prime factors of 36. Let's see prime factors of 36. Okay, so 36. Now if we will divide 36, 2 18 ja, ठीक है, then 2 9 ja, then 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. You can see, you all know how to find out prime factors. It is not the biggest thing for you if you have tried the questions from the last videos and if you have watched all the videos. This is the prime factors of 36. So let's write it. 36 equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. देख लो, we have done, we are finding out LCM of 24 and 36. So we have taken the prime factors of 24. You can see the prime factors of 36. You can see. Okay. So now what to do? Now what to do? See, we are finding out LCM. Okay. Just if you have done the prime factors, na, means you have done 70% of your work. Okay. 70% हो गया है. अगर प्राइम फैक्टर सही से लिखा है, if you have written the prime factors in correct way, now take the common things out. HCF में सीखा था. In the last video, HCF, you have learned how to take the common things. 2 is there, 2 is there. They are making pair ना? देख लो, ध्यान से देखना. They are making pairs. 2, 2. They are making pairs. So I will write once 2. Now, again, is this 2 making pair with anyone? Yes, you will say. Yes, this is also making pair. So I'll write 2. जब पेयर बनता है ना तो उनमें से एक ही बार लिखते हैं, ये ध्यान रखना. इफ पेयर इज देयर यू हैव टू राइट ओनली वंस. सी 2 is there, that means I have written. See, 2 is there, that means I have written. Now what if, see this 2, this one, is it having any pair? Is this 2 having any pair? Please try to watch. If you are getting any pair, try to watch this thing. Is this 2, what I am saying, is this 2 having any pair? This one, you will say sir no. So it is not having pair, but still we have to write. अकेला लिखना है. देख लो, जो पेयर बनते हैं उनमें से एक बार लिखना है. देखो, ये पेयर था तो मैंने एक बार लिखा, ये पेयर था तो 2 एक बार लिखा. Now it is not having na, but still we will write. Now see, this 3 is making pair. You will say sir yes, this 3 is making pair with this one. You can see like this. So we will write only once, and this 3 is remaining na, वो भी लिखना है. देखो, clear thing is what? If it is making pair, then you have to write once. If it is not making pair, then still you have to write. Okay, this is the way we are going to find out LCM. Now see, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. This is the LCM of 24 and 36. This is the LCM of 24 and 36. I hope you are getting how to find the LCM. I hope everyone is getting, I hope this video is helping you. Okay, so let's do one more thing, एक और. Now we are doing with another method, एक और method सीखते हैं, how to find LCM. One more method. If we are having suppose 12, 18 and I'll say one more number, let's take 16. If these numbers are there, then how to find LCM? 12, 18, 16. One more method I am going to discuss, huh? And this is the easiest one. इसको ध्यान से देखना because you will try this one ना, that will be really beneficial for you. Okay, try to see this one. 12, 18, 16, these are the numbers. So 12, 16, 18. Okay, so what we are going to do, just try to watch it. See, if these numbers are divided by any one common number, क्या ये तीनों नंबर किसी एक कॉमन नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं? यू विल से स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग बाय 2. 2 से करना स्टार्ट करूँ. 2 6 जा 12, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18. अगेन देख लो, मैंने डिवाइड किया है, बस तीनों नंबर्स को एक साथ लिखा 12, 16, 18. 2 6 जा 12, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18. Then 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, but 9 is not divisible, we will write it 9. Again we will use 2. 3 is not divisible by 2, you can check, 3 is not divisible, so I will write 3. Then see this 4 is divisible, yes, 2 2 ja 4, then I will write 9. Then 2 again I will write, 3 not divisible, 2 is divisible, 2 1 ja, then this 9 is not divisible. Now I will write 3, see this 3 1 ja, this is already 1, and 3 3 ja, then 1 1 and 3 1 ja. So what LCM I am getting? Multiply all these numbers. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 4 times 2 is there. Multiply 3 multiply by 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja how much? 48, and then 48 3 ja, so 48 multiplied by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 4 ja 12, plus 2 14, that means 144. This is the LCM. In this way also you can find the LCM. Okay, I'll prepare one more video if possible for LCM, but try to watch this video for all the three methods. All these three methods, try to watch. This is the basic method we will be following every time to find the LCM. Okay, I'll show you one more question. Let's see one more question if possible. Let's take one more example. Suppose we are having 10, 15, 20. These three numbers we are having 10, 15, 20. Now see, how do we find the LCM? एक बार देखो, 10, 15, 20. नाउ स्टार्ट विद 2 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 2 5 जा, देख लो 10 डिवाइड हो सकता है, 2 5 जा 10. 15 डिवाइड नहीं होगा 2 से, 15 इज नॉट डिविजिबल, सो आई विल राइट इट लाइक दिस. देन 20, 2 10 जा 20. एनी नंबर इफ डिविजिबल बाय 2, फिर से 2 लेना है. अगर कोई भी नंबर है ना वहाँ पे जो 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है, तो फिर से 2 से करना है. 5 इज नॉट डिविजिबल, 15 इज नॉट डिविजिबल, बट दिस इज डिविजिबल. यू कैन सी दिस इज डिविजिबल. 2 5 जा. नाउ 2 से कोई नंबर इनमें से डिविजिबल नहीं है. चेक विथ 3, इफ एनी ऑफ द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. चेक विथ 3, येस 15 इज. 5 इज नॉट डिविजिबल, बट दिस 15, 3 5 जा, एंड देन 5 इज नॉट डिविजिबल. नाउ चेक विथ दिस नंबर, 2 और 3 से तो ये डिविजिबल नहीं है. चेक विथ 5, 5 1 जा, 5 1 जा, 5 1 जा. So what is the LCM you are getting? What is the LCM you are getting? You are getting 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. You can check. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. So LCM of 15, 10 and 20 you are getting how much? 60. This is the LCM you are getting for 15, 10 and 20. Okay. So try to solve some questions. Okay, I am giving you a question. Try to find out the LCM. Find the LCM of, okay, let's write here 16, 20 and 24. Okay, this is the A part. One more, and write the answer in comments. Okay, try to solve these question and write the answer in comment by any of the three method you can use, but don't try to follow this one because it will be a little longer for you. Try to use any of these two methods. You can use any of this method or either this method you can use. So but try to find the LCM of 16, 20 and 24, and the next one, find the LCM of 8, 20 and 24. Okay, let's try to find out the LCM of these two number. Write your answers in comment, and that's all for this video.